Yes, guys, am I audible? Yes, am I audible? Yes, let me know. Yes, okay. So, today we'll discuss some uh, basic concepts about the Selenium testing tool. Okay, the basic I will cover. Okay, and I have already created some of the videos that are available in our college platform, so that you can refer those videos for the Selenium testing tool. Okay. So this is the main. I think I'm not shared the screen. Okay. Okay. My screen is visible, right? Okay. So this is the main URL. Okay. Okay. So this is the main URL for Selenium software testing tool, and in that Selenium IDE, it is a type of Selenium. Selenium IDE, Selenium WebDriver. So Selenium IDE is an open source record and playback test automation for the web development. Okay, so you can note on the URL selenium.dev. Okay, it is called as open source record and playback functionality for the testing the software, and it is a plugin. It is a Firefox plugin. Okay, so here you can download as per the browser requirement. Okay, then web ready. It's a simple turnkey solution to quickly author reliable end-to-end test. It is for the web application, key, easy debugging, cross-browser execution. So run your tests on any browser operating system combination in parallel using the command line runner for the Selenium IDE. So ready to use the IDE. So getting started with the Selenium IDE, that requires no additional steps rather than installing the extension. So it is the extension. Okay, it is an extension that you can embed in your browser. Okay, it is an extension that you can embed in the browser. Okay, this is how it looks once we execute. Means once we install the Selenium IDE. Okay, so Firefox. So what you do? Open the Firefox. This is my Firefox browser, and in this particular search option, you can just type it Selenium. So here you can see the options. Okay, here you can see the option Selenium ID. You can just click on there. So this is the icon how it looks. Selenium IDSE. This icon. Selenium ID by Selenium. So here it is a plugin that we are installing in the browser. Okay. So the some details about this we can see in this tutorial. So what is Selenium IDE? So it is a integrated development environment and is the simplest tool in the Selenium suite. Selenium suite means it contains the various tools. Okay, in that Selenium IDE. Okay. It is the simplest tool in the Selenium suite. It is a Firefox add-on. It is a Firefox add-on that creates a test very quickly through its record and playback functionality. Okay, it records whatever the functionality we do. And this feature is similar to that of the QTP. Okay, Quick Test Professional, QTP testing tool. It is effortless to install and easy to learn. So, uh, this is having a feature. Selenium IDE is having a feature of record and playback. Whatever we do, suppose here, just I am clicking here, selecting some text, so it records all the text. Okay, means whatever we do with respect to the like if I click this button, it records that. Means we are doing the testing here. We are doing the testing. Suppose if I click this particular electronicscom.com, this particular, so it records this feature. Okay, so it is a record and playback feature. Record and play. This Selenium IDE helps. It supports autocomplete mode when creating the test. Autocomplete autocomplete mode when creating the test, and this feature serves the two purpose. It helps the tester to enter the commands more quickly, and it restricts the user from entering the invalid command. So here you are required to, you can add some commands here, and if there is any mistake in the command, it gives an error message. Okay, so here you can see the command. This is the IDE look, how it looks. Okay, Selenium IDE. Okay, like here the open means you are opening the particular any web page. Like here type is a command, username, password, click and wait. These are some of the commands that you will learn. Okay, and here you can see the at the left side in this diagram, test case, invalid login, valid login. These are the test cases. These are the test cases: valid login, invalid login. Okay, so in this particular case there are two test cases are run. Okay, and one is failure. Here this red color, it is a failed test case. So here this by using the Selenium IDE you have to do some assignments. Okay, so you can just go through that, and also I have created some videos in our channel. Okay, in our college channel is there, no? So here you can see like what is Selenium. Okay, it is a free open source automated testing tool. Okay, who is developed this Selenium? Johnson Huggins developed the Selenium testing tool. So you can add, once you just familiar with this testing tool, no, you can add it in your resume. Okay, so why the name is Selenium? Selenium is a well-known antidote for the mercury poisoning. It is an antidote for the mercury poisoning, and Johnson suggested that the name. Okay, why this Selenium? Why they given the name for testing tool as a Selenium? Because it is an antidote for the mercury poisoning. So that's why Selenium that removes the mercury from the body, poison. Okay, how the Selenium got the name? Selenium, it removes the mercury, that poisoning from the body. So that's why for software testing they given the name as Selenium. Okay, then what are the the advantage, the drawbacks of the Selenium IDE? So it is very easy to install, and no programming experience is required to use this particular IDE, and can export a text to the format that is usable in Selenium, RC, and WebDriver. As I already told, it is a suite. It is a Selenium suite. Selenium suite means it consists of number of uh, tools like Selenium IDE, Selenium RC, Selenium WebDriver. These are the types, and it provides support for the extension. The drawback is that it only supports for the Firefox, but now it is they are it supports Chrome also. Okay, as just now we are seeing no here the Selenium IDE, it supports for the Chrome also. Chrome also it supports. Okay, so this is the main page. You can see here in the help installation of Selenium IDE, either the Chrome or Firefox. Earlier, no, it only used to support Firefox. Okay, earlier it used to support only Firefox. Now it is supported to Chrome browser also. Once installed, launch it by clicking icon from the menu bar from your browser. So here the extensions. So in the Firefox means it is just an add-on. You can get there quickly by typing the following into your address bar and hitting the enter. Okay, extensions. Through extensions we add. Okay, through extensions we add these plugins, the Selenium plugins. The extension might be enabled but icon is hidden. So try resizing the menu bar, give it more space. So here in this particular the Firefox, here I have opened this particular Firefox, and in the add-on just I will type Selenium. So here I can just select this IDE. Okay, here you can see the Selenium IDE by Selenium. Okay, and I will just click on the add to Firefox. Here you can see it is not available here. At the right side top you can see there is no extensions are available, but now I am adding. So here you can see no changes. Allow this extension to run. Okay, just click it. Okay, so here you can see here earlier it was not there, no, earlier the this particular icon was not there. Okay, so once you install, no, once you install the plugin, here you can see the Selenium ID after installing the that particular extension. Okay, so here there is one Google Calendar is there. It is already previously it was already there. So now we are added this Selenium ID extension. Okay, so just you people what you do, you click on this Selenium ID. So once we click on that, it asks, see here the version. Welcome to the Selenium IDE, and version is 3.17.0. Okay, and whatever I have created the videos, no, that is almost 2 years back. Okay, that time the version was the different version. Key, and also there's one more version is there, that is Chrome, that I will discuss because I'm not gone through that. Just I have gone through the this Firefox. And for Selenium IDE, Firefox it supports. Means if you compare with Chrome and Chrome version and this Firefox, Chrome it supports. Okay, so here you can just, what would you like to do? Just record a new test. Just you can okay. So you can just add one project, project one. Okay, you can just after giving the name, set your project base URL. So here you need to provide a URL, means which particular web application. So before you start recording, you must specify a valid base URL for your project. So your tests will start by navigating to this URL. So here I'm just selecting one of the URL, that is a demo.guru99. Okay, there is one URL. Okay, just I am just providing there. Means what you are doing here, you are testing. You are testing means uh, you are taking the various functionality in that particular web page. Okay, so here I am selected this particular URL for the testing purpose. Okay, then you just click on the start recording. So once you click on that, it will open, and here you can see at the right side bottom, you can see there is a Selenium IDE is recording. Okay, so it records whatever the functionality. So here for example, username and password. Okay, here there are two fields are there, username and password. Okay, so here uh, I'm just clicking without providing username and password, and I'm just clicking this button. Okay, so it is recording all the features. Like now I just clicked on the username and password without providing the username and password. Okay, empty username, and it is showing the login is successful. Okay, so now what you do, you just stop the recording. Okay, you just stop the recording here. Okay, you just stop the recording. So here you can observe. Okay, here you can observe here. So I'm running all the test cases here. I'm not doing anything. Okay, so just it is a record and playback feature. Whatever it is recorded, no. See here, you can see the green color indicates it is executing the test cases. Okay, so here what you do, here I have used this open command, means it is opening the particular URL, whatever the URL we have provided. Okay, I provided the URL for the this particular website, guru99.com demo dot. Okay, this is a dummy website. Okay, and here I am provided without username and password. Just clicking the submit button. So here it is I clicked here. Click command is there. Means I have clicked no that submit button. So here submit button. Okay. Click command is executed, and it is submitted. Okay. It is just a demo purpose. It is not actually because that particular web page. Okay. Without means it is that is designed for just a demo purpose. And after that we are saving the test case. Okay. And here to run, here I'm just closing. I'm closing this particular tab. I'm closing this Mercury is there. No, I'm just closing here. Now, okay, in the Firefox you can see I'm not opened. Okay, that particular Mercury tour it is closed now. So here just I'll run this test case. So first it prepares. First it opens the particular. Okay, some problem. Means it should target to this one. Okay. Okay, we'll have one more time. Huh? See what you do. You just click on this particular Selenium IDE icon. Okay. Okay. Then you can open the existing project, or you can create a new project, or you can record the new test. Okay. So earlier project I am not saved. Okay. You just create a new project. Project one. Okay. I'm starting one more time. Huh? Showing one more time about this Selenium IDE. Here, what you have to do. Start recording. So in the start recording, it asks for the to provide a URL. Okay. So for that, what I will do, I will just provide a URL for google.com. Okay. This URL I will provide google.com. Okay. Now I'm just clicking on the start recording. Okay. Now it is opening that our target is this particular google.com. No. So it is opening that particular, and here just I will click on the sign in. So it is recording the this particular. So I clicked on the sign in. Okay. Then user another account. Okay. And here 1 2 3 4, just I'm providing next. Okay. Now what you do, now I'll just stop this one, stop the recording. Okay. And just to provide the test case, because you are done one you are recorded some features, no. So just to record, see here you can see whatever we done, it is all recorded here. Okay. Opening the target, that is which target, google.com. Okay. And we are clicked on the, like here the you can see the commands like move over, I move mouse over, click click on the particular sign in and all. It is all recorded, all the features. Now I'll just click on this run test case. Just check it out. It will show all the whatever the functionality we are. I'm not doing anything here. It is showing whatever we are done. Playback feature. Okay. Means it will test. Okay. Whether like without any registration, whether I am able to log in or not. Instead of testing manually, here it tests based upon the record and playback feature. Okay. Means suppose if there is here you cannot log in without providing all the like wrong username, wrong password. As suppose in that particular previous website was there, no, that demo, that Guru 99 demo website. So it was a dummy. It was a dummy project, a dummy website. It is, and here without username and password, it is we are able to log in. Here without username and password, I am able to log in. It is a dummy one. Okay, dummy just is a web pages they are created. So here we are testing whether like whether it works or not. Like for example, if I click on the home, so home button means whether it opens all the details. Like it is a website for the a new tour website. Or here you can see the hotels. Here it is not constructed, means the web page is not designed, and a register button. Means here we are checking whether after clicking on this register button, whether it opens these information like name. Okay, so it is. So here you can see whether by providing all these things. So here in the phone number also it is accepting the, means there is no validation and all. Here we are testing all these things. So after submitting also it is taking. Okay. So likewise, this is a dummy website. This Guru demo.guru, no. This we use for the testing purpose. So here the main thing is that Selenium IDE, what it does, it first it records. Here you can see the green color indicates we just opened this particular open means what, we are opening the google.com. Okay, and whatever the functionalities we recorded, like in that particular URL, so it records all the features, and and it executes. So execute means everything is okay, means the particular, means suppose user website use कर रहा है. Okay, suppose sign in वगैरह कर रहा है, means ये सब properly work हो रहा है. Okay, all these functionalities are working properly. So here you can see at the bottom logs, you can see all are okay. Okay means it is working fine. Okay, means the particular test case is passed. So here that's why this particular test case is compiled successfully. So this particular ID, this concept, this ID is there, no, Selenium suite type, Selenium IDE. That's why it is very easy to use, and programming knowledge is required. It is like a black box testing. Okay. Here, some you need to know some of the commands here, like open. Open means it opens the particular URL. Okay, set window size, as we are adjusted the window size and all. Whatever the functionality we are done, no, it is recorded here and it playback. Okay, just I'm executing that test case once again. I'm not doing here. It is just automatically it is executing the test case. So that's why you just go through the one of the Selenium IDE. Okay, just go through the one of the Selenium IDE and work on that. So Selenium IDE means it is a plugin. You just keep in mind it is a plugin. Here you can see this will give access to the following options. Record a new test in this new project. Open an existing means you can save the project. Create a new project and close the ID. Okay, so you can just check for the Chrome also. Here I think Chrome option is also there. Okay, Selenium, this Chrome option. So you people just check it out with the Chrome option. So here this particular, it is supporting to both Chrome and Firefox. I'm not gone through this Chrome one. You just go through this. Once installed, launch it by clicking the icon. Means it will comes in the extension. Okay. Make sure the ID is enabled by in your browser extension. You can just follow these screens. Okay. So you can save. You can save the project. Okay. You can save your project here. You can save the project. Okay, that option is also there. You can save, you can create new project. Okay, so that's why it is called as a record and playback feature. So for this, I have created a video that I already mentioned how to download and install. Means some basic thing, basic steps only I have done, how to download, install Selenium IDE. Okay, it was see almost 2019 July. Total means almost 2 years. Okay. Uh, okay, so the version may be changed. Now the version is it is different. Okay, so you can just go ahead with this new version. You can install. See here, 3 point some lower version is there. Now the version is there are some features. So here the same thing. You can create a project. You can execute the test case. Okay, so it is easy to install. Then run the first IDE, Selenium first test case. Okay, so this is one of the tutorial part. Like you can use any URL. Huh? Okay, any URL. So here I have used google.com. No, you can use any e-commerce Flipkart site or any e-commerce sites, and you need to write at least you need to execute at least 5 test cases in the Selenium IDE, and you have to execute and take a screenshot. So here it will show all the your logs. Okay, here actually I executed it, tested 2 times. No, that's why it is showing 2 times. Okay, so here the main thing is you have to remember like these manually also you can type the commands. Okay, you just check it out that. And Chrome also you just check it out, Chrome extension. So that is your Selenium part. Actually what it does, this particular ID, it records the whatever the functionality and record and playback feature. Playback means it will show whatever the recorded. Okay, means whether it is working properly or not. For example, if I open this particular URL google.com, I am doing manually here. So it is opening manually. Then I am just clicking on this grid. Okay, then it is also working. Okay, then like sites. So it is also working. Hmm? So it record if there is any error, then it gives a if that particular test case is failed. And also suppose if you are working with means it captures all the whatever the actions you do. For example, if you are in the background, if you are running your this particular ID and you are entering your username and password, suppose in the login, then it captures whatever the login that you provide, no user username and password. Okay, that will be captured by the this particular here. Suppose if you are you opened google.com and you are clicking on the sign in and you are providing username and password, no, everything will be captured here. Whatever you type, okay, whatever you type like a username, your password, okay, that you can see in this, but you can check it out. Okay, you can check it out later. It will record. Okay. So this is about the your Selenium ID, and in the Moodle I will just add those videos. So by referring those videos, you need to complete one assignment, that is a tutorial assignment. So here I have used the same dummy website for the testing. Okay, it records the all the what the functionality. And once you, if you are familiar with this, once you are familiar with this particular ID, you can add it in your resume also. Like you know the Selenium IDE testing tool. Okay. So that is all about today. And what you people do? I think most of you are not submitted your test case suit and test case based upon the test suit. You need to write the test cases, the tutorial assignments, and one Java unit is there, Java unit testing. Okay. So that I think Madhuri will do a hands-on in the next week. Then Selenium ID, and also I told one particular link that is in the Selenium tutorial that you need to register for the that particular URL. I think maybe you received the mail. Okay, so Selenium tutorial for the beginners. So here you need to register. I have provided this link. I have provided the link in the that particular assignment in the Google Classroom. So you have to provide your mail ID. Here you need to provide your mail ID, and after registering here, you will get a daily task. Okay, you need to complete. That is also part of your. That is also part of your uh, tutorial work. So that you need to prepare a report. Okay, after the registration, you will get a link here, guru99.com. Yeah, daily, actually day one, day two. You can just see. You can just type here, Guru99. So okay, here this I actually on 13th September. On 13th September, I registered on that particular website. So here you are the Selenium automation engineer. You are received a one mail after registration. Day one task. Like you are the Selenium automation engineer assigned to test the esteemed Guru 99 Bank project. So here they are given a step. This is one test case. Here the link to this testing is they are provided one link. Okay, and this is the test case. Test scenario. What is the test scenario? Verify the login section. Test case is what? Enter the valid username and password. And test steps. These are the steps how you perform the testing. So for the valid username and password, you can get here test to steps to access the test suite. You can visit this website, enter your email ID and password. Okay, enter your email ID and password and login credentials mail to your ID. You provide your mail ID here and you will get a credential to provide to do this successful your means the credentials username and password. You just follow the instructions. Okay, then in the day two, okay, day two enhancements in the script. Hey there is a major flaw in the test case we created. There is no verification step. The script is no good if it cannot produce the pass fail status. Go ahead and modify the script. So you just follow the instructions, okay, and complete the task. So what is the expected result here? Login successful and verify the title of the home page. You need to verify title of the home page. So you need to enhance the script. So likewise you will get the task. So this is your part of your tutorial work. total 7 days the task will come. Okay, so at the end you need to submit the 7 day or the task in a report format. Okay, in like in day one what you have done, you just the snap of this particular because it is received to your email id, right? Snap of uh, this particular screenshot, and whatever the task you are done, that screenshot, whatever the steps you are followed, you need to prepare a report. Then in the day 2, day 3, parameterize the script. Okay, so your tutorial it depend upon this particular you are doing a testing, you are doing automation testing of Guru 99, a bank demo website. Okay, you just go ahead and complete it. So those who are not received, I think you just check it out your Google Classroom. Okay, in the Google Classroom, sent on 13th, I think. Okay, in the Google Classroom, assignment. So here I have mentioned here Guru 99 Selenium tutorial. So you just go to that particular link. At the last, you can see here you do this learn Selenium in 7 days. You will get a task and you are required to complete those tasks. Okay, you just complete it. That is your part of the tutorial work. Okay. Yes,